In this question, what we are going to look at is that how do you calculate the interest on capital for a partner who has contributed in excess of what he is legally entitled to contribute. Let me just explain this to you first, and then we'll read the question also, and we'll look at the solutions as well. In a partnership firm, what happens is that there could be two partners, let's say for example, and I'll take only two because I just want to keep this simple, A and B, right? A is entitled to 1/2 of the profits and B is also entitled to 1/2 of the profit. Let's say for example, if they are sharing 1/2 and 1/2, ideally I'm saying, not necessarily, ideally, let's say the total capital required is 5 lakh, right? Because they are sharing profits and losses equally, in an ideal situation, A and B will want that each of one of them should also contribute proportionately, right? Which is half of the capital of 5 lakh, which is the total requirement of the firm. Let's call this as total requirement, right? So A should contribute half of 5 lakh, which is 250,000, and B should also contribute half of 5 lakh, which is 250,000. But for some reason, let's say B says, I'm sorry, I don't have 250, but I can contribute 1 lakh, right? And he tells A, can you contribute the balance 4 lakh, right? A says, okay, I'll do this, but what I will do is, whatever is the excess capital that I am contributing, in excess of what I am legally supposed to do or ideally supposed to do, I will charge interest on that, right? So what is the excess capital which A is contributing here? He is contributing 4 lakh while he is supposed to contribute 250,000, right? So the excess capital is 150,000. How do I calculate it? It's 4 lakh actual contribution minus ideal contribution, and he will be entitled to interest on this amount. Okay, now let us look at the example which is given to us. So what happened here was that basically A was paid interest. So the question says A is a partner in a firm in which the total capital is 5 lakh. So what a coincidence, even the total capital here is 5 lakh only, right? So the total capital is equal to 5 lakh, right? A is entitled to 50% of the profits. His profit sharing ratio is 50%. His capital in the firm is equal to 4 lakh. Well, so the capital of A, let's call this as actual capital of A, is equal to 4 lakh, right? The partnership deed provides that the partner is entitled to interest at the rate of 12% per annum on the amount contributed in excess of share as compared to profit sharing ratio. This is nothing but what we have discussed just now. What this means is that whatever is the amount contributed in excess of his share as compared to the profit sharing ratio. So the total capital here is 5 lakh. A's share is 50% or 50% of 5 lakh, 250,000, right? So his actual share should be 250 while what he has contributed is 4 lakh, right? So what is the excess if I have to calculate the excess? The excess is actual capital of A minus capital required as per profit sharing ratio, right? Now as per this ratio, he is supposed to contribute 250,000. So what is the excess capital? 400 minus 250 or 150,000, right? Now on this amount, A is entitled to interest at the rate of 12% per annum. Now, in terms of the time, we are not told what is the time when this capital was contributed. But because nothing is given, so we assume that the capital has been contributed in the beginning of the financial year, right? And accordingly calculate interest for 12 months, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 18,000. Hence, the interest to be provided to A for the excess capital of 1,50,000 that he has contributed vis-a-vis what he was required to contribute is going to be credited as interest to A, right? So it's very simple basically, right? What did you do? We find out what is the excess capital contributed by the partner, which is actually nothing but the actual capital minus the required capital. Once this is known, then we just apply the interest rate to this and calculate the amount of interest payable to the partner on capital. Thank you for being with us today on this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay. If you dislike this video, please hit the dislike button as well. Right. The idea is to get some positive feedbacks or the negative feedbacks, any kind of feedbacks actually from you. Right. You can also send this to your Facebook friends or on any other social media as you like. And to stay updated about our developments, you can also subscribe to our channel. Right?